In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON S620 Tablet. The GAOMON S620 is a high-resolution graphic drawing tablet designed for versatility and portability. Originating from mainland China, it features a screen resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels on a 4-inch display. The tablet supports 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity and offers a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, making it suitable for detailed digital artwork. It connects via USB and includes express keys for customizable shortcuts. Constructed from plastic, it measures 8.30 inches in length and 6.85 inches in width, with a compact active area of 6.5 by 4 inches. The tablet is compatible with Windows 7 and macOS 10.12 or above, along with various software including Adobe Photoshop and Clip Studio. It features a passive electromagnetic resonance pen technology that requires no battery, ensuring uninterrupted creativity. The package includes additional pen nibs and a micro USB cable, with a design that emphasizes stability and ease of use, backed by a 1-year warranty. Number 2. VEIKK A15 Pro. The VEIKK A15 Pro is a versatile graphic tablet designed to enhance digital creativity across various platforms. Featuring a 10 by 6 inch workspace with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, it ensures precise and natural drawing experiences. The tablet supports a battery-free passive pen with a tilt function, delivering smooth lines and effortless creativity. With a quick dial and 12 customizable shortcut keys, productivity is maximized by allowing quick access to frequently used functions without relying on a keyboard. Compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android systems, and supporting major design software, it caters to a wide range of creative professionals and beginners alike. The package includes essential accessories like a pen stand, glove, and protective film, while a 1-year warranty ensures peace of mind for users. Whether for drawing, animation, photo editing, or design work, the VEIKK A15 Pro promises a seamless and enjoyable digital art experience. Number 3. Huion Kamvas 13 Tablet. The Huion Kamvas 13 is a high-performance graphic tablet designed for digital artists and professionals. It features a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and 120% sRGB color gamut, delivering vivid and detailed images. With 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a report rate of 266 pps, it offers precise and responsive drawing capabilities. The tablet supports both USB-C to HDMI and USB-C to USB-C connections for easy setup with laptops and certain Android devices, powered directly via USB. It includes the PW517 battery-free pen, optimized for natural drawing feel and accuracy, and boasts PenTech 3.0 technology for enhanced performance. Ergonomically designed with 8 programmable press keys, it supports pen display and pen tablet modes, catering to varied creative needs. Compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, Ubuntu, the Kamvas 13 is lightweight, slim, 11.8 mm, and includes accessories like a 3-in-1 USB-C cable and pen holder, making it a versatile and portable tool for digital artists on the go. Number 4. XPPen Deco Pro. The XPPen Deco Pro SM is a high-performance graphic tablet designed for professional digital artists. Originating from mainland China, it features a 10.1-inch screen with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI. Made from ABS material, it connects via USB Type-C interface and is compatible with Windows 10, 8, 7, and macOS 10.8 and above. The tablet includes 8 shortcut keys and supports up to 60 degrees of tilt, enhancing natural drawing motions. It comes with the PA1 battery-free stylus and has won design awards for its sleek aluminum casing and ergonomic design. The Deco Pro SM also features a dual-wheel design for precise control and efficiency in creative workflows, along with adjustable lighting and symmetrical interface for both left and right-hand users. The package includes various accessories like replacement nibs, adapters, and a drawing glove, making it a comprehensive tool for professional digital artistry. Number 5. GAOMON PD1161 Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 is an 11.6-inch IPS HD graphics drawing digital tablet monitor designed for creative professionals and enthusiasts. Featuring a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and supporting 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity with the ArtPaint AP50 battery-free pen, it ensures precise and natural drawing experiences without the need for charging. The tablet includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and 5 menu keys for streamlined workflow efficiency, complemented by a lightweight and portable design weighing 866 g. It supports both Windows 7 and later, and macOS 10.12 and later operating systems, making it versatile for various creative applications including drawing, photography, animation, and more. Connectivity options include USB, mini HDMI, and Type-C interfaces, while its IPS LCD screen offers a wide 178 degrees viewing angle for comfortable extended use. Ideal for mobile creativity, the PD1161 is packaged with essential accessories and backed by GAOMON's commitment to quality and innovation in digital tablets.